Hi, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies Incorporated, where we believe that your most valuable resource are your employees. We're proud to announce that we've teamed up with Dealer Solutions Group, the only place that you can get all the expertise to fit every profit center at your dealership to make sure that they're trained properly. We at Champion Strategies Incorporated specialize in the HR side, whether it be sourcing, recruiting, interviewing, onboarding, new hire sales, experienced sales, management leadership, service advisor training, and wholesale parts training. The rest of my colleagues at Dealer Solutions Group, they specialize on getting the people to the dealership. Once at the dealership, that's where we come in, as far as road to the sale, how to desk, how to manage while walking around. Also for your service advisors, what to do when the person comes to the drive, active delivery. And for your wholesale parts, while they're out in the community, what they need to be asking to drive more business into wholesale parts. We've been doing this well over 25 years, and we've worked with some of the larger automotive manufacturers as well as some of the largest automotive groups. So the next time you're thinking about training your people in any way possible, from road to the sale training to walk-arounds to HR skills, think of Champion Strategies Incorporated. And once again, we're proud to be part of the Dealer Solutions Group. And always, as in parting, make it a champion day.